name is Eric Zamora. I'm a mechatronic engineer from UABC University. Conversions. We have this problem. The silver brave pirate has arrived to Coral Island to look for a treasure on the map. From the shore, you must travel 3.7 hectometers to the lane led toward the center of the island, and then another 8.5 decameters travels in the same direction. And the question is, how many meters will they travel in total from the shore to the treasure? So, in the problem, we have that one decameter is equal to 10 meters, and 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meters. So we need to do first this conversion, that is 8.5 decameters. Okay, 10 meters is 1 decameter. Okay, we will multiply 8.5 decameters with 10 meters to convert 8.5 to meters. So we have 85 meters. Then we will do the same with the hectometers, but in this we will not multiply with 10, we will multiply with 100 meters. So 3.7 hectometers and with 100 meters. This will give you 370 meters. And finally, to know how many meters the pirate have to travel to the shore from the shore to the treasure, we just add 85 meters with 370 meters. This will give you 455 meters. And this is the result.
My name is Jessica Tamayo. I am a student and industrial engineer in UABC. My problem is about conversions. New pipeline to supply water will be 1.2 kilometers long. Stop put it on both ends. There is already 0.492 kilometers of pipeline put on one side and 53,500 centimeters from the other side. How many meters of pipeline have still to be put? First, we convert 53,500 centimeters in kilometers. Divide the centimeters in 100,000. The result is 0.535 kilometers. But the 0.492 kilometers and 0.535 kilometers. The result is 1.027 kilometers. Put 1.2 kilometers less 1.027 kilometers. The result is 0.173 kilometers is missing of pipeline. Put 0.173 kilometers multiply for 1,000 meters. The result is 173 meters. It still remains to be put 173 meters of pipeline.
Hi, I'm Alexandra Velasquez. I'm a student from Aerospace Engineering at UABC. Okay, so this is a problem of average velocity. The problem says, a car starts from the grocery store, travels to church, and then to the school in 28 seconds. What is the average velocity in the car in the entire trip? So, the car starts in the grocery store, then travels to church, and then goes back to school in a time of 28 seconds. So the formula is of the average velocity is the second position minus the first position divided by the second time minus the first time. And the first time is 0 because the car starts its trip right here. So going with the formula, it's the final position that it's 2 minus the first position that is 5 minus 5, so it's 2 minus 5 divided by the second time that it's 28 minus 0. So the average velocity is 7 divided by 28, and that equals to 0.25 meters per second.
Hi, my name is David Sanchez. I'm a student of UABC Mechanic Engineer. Development of the parabolic shot. The problem. Find the horizontal distance it covers and total time for the given information. The angle between cannonball and horizontal is 53 degrees. What do we know? The velocity, the height, and the angle. What are we looking for? The time and the distance. We developed the formula of maximum time. For this, apply velocity, sine of the angle, and the gravity. How to know the time in the cannonball cliff. And this is the time in the cliff, 2.003 seconds. Apply the formula of the parabolic shot in y. For this, we have the height for this, the velocity of this, angle, and the time, and the time, the gravity, the time, and the joule. And this is the maximum height, 18.31. This is the maximum height in the cannonball thrower. And apply the formula of free fall, the time formula of the free fall, and what is square root of 2 maximum height over the gravity. This is adding the first time and the second time to obtain the total time, that is 6.076 seconds. And develop the formula of the parabolic shot in X to obtain the total distance. This is the velocity, the angle, and the total time. To obtain .41 meters. And this is the total distance.
My name is Guillermo Ruiz. I'm a student of industrial engineering at UABC. What is the acceleration of the car that has an initial speed of 0 that is parked and reached a speed of 105 seconds. Velocity 1 is 0 meters per second. Velocity 2 is 100 kilometers per hour. Time 2 is 5 seconds. Time to 1 is 0. With 9 convert the kilometers per hours to the meters per second. Now we divide this by the 5, and this is result.